Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay nabigyan ng chance si Hart Evangelista, na makasama ng matagal ang inang si Cecilia Ong Pauco sa isang out-of-the-country trip. Dito nasaksihan ng ina ni Hart, ang lahat ng pinagdadaanang hirap ng kanyang anak. Talagang nagulat ang ina ni Hart sa lahat ng kanyang nasaksihan. Nangyari ito sa muling pagrampa ng aktres at global fashion icon sa Paris Fashion Week, na inilarawan niyang very meaningful and emotional experience. Sa naganap na MediaCon para sa kanyang reality show sa GMA7 na, Hart World Season 2, nagkwento nga si Hart tungkol sa naging experience nilang mag-ina sa naturang international event. Actually, because nag-away kami around 21 years old ako, we never really got to travel really travel, ever since. We did Japan trips for 3 days, but to be together for over 2 weeks, ang saya niyang kasama. And I truly missed having her around, pagbabahagi ni Hart na super na-miss din ang mga friends niya sa entertainment media. Inalala ng aktres nang maging emotional ang ina nang masaksihan ang first day shoot niya sa Paris, na talaga namang naging super challenging sa kanyang team. Hirap na hirap siya kasi, actually, first day pa lang, umiyak siya, kasi naiinis siya kasi nauulanan daw ako. Tapos medyo -4, temperature, tapos syempre kailangan mong umaura sa photographer. So, why do you have to do that? Why do you have to ganyan? Ang dami niyang questions. Natatawang say pa ni Hart. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, we both enjoyed because sa kanya ko naman din natutunan yung kaartehan ko on dressing up and all of that. It was her first time to join me in that trip. It's a working trip. So dati nakikita niya ako sa Subic, nagte-taping. Ngayon, nakita niya ako doon, nagko-content creation, attending shows. And she really enjoyed. Pero by 6 p.m., laglag na siya. Sabi niya, hindi ko na kayang magtakong. But she enjoyed. It's so funny and refreshing to watch, say pa ni Harty. Nang matanong naman si Mrs. Ong Pauco about her experience in Paris Fashion Week with her daughter, aniya, it was so much fun for me because it's working. It's the first time I saw her and her element in Paris. And I appreciated all the hard work. The passion, I mean, she was never ending. I mean, in motion. She was forever in motion. She wakes up at 3 or 4 a.m. and goes all day long just fixing her outfits, her accessories, content, this and that. Always creative. Made me so proud to watch her in action, kwento ng nanay ni Hart na pak din ang OOTD sa presko ng anak. Say pa ng Kapuso Star, napakalaking bagay daw na kasama niya ang ina sa pagtatrabaho sa Paris, sobra talaga. Whenever I'd feel down, I'd feel like kulang ba? Even if I'm really burning myself, kulang ba? Her words are wisdom, like from the books. One day, maybe I'll do a compilation of lahat ng mga kanyang words of wisdom, aniya pa. Reaksyon naman ni Cecilia, I just didn't realize how much she puts into her craft. She just loves it and gives it more than her own. Made me so proud. I thought pa cute-cute lang siya. No. It was way different. Kaya naiyak ako. Because I saw her, she was so tired and still. I think may mga pinagdadaanan tayo na at the end of the day, talagang nanay pa rin ang tatawagan at kakailanganin natin. There's just so much that you didn't expect that you will see, say ni Hart Evangelista.